we're going to do the exercise which most people ask me to do on social media. It's a parallel park. All right, the proper name for it is the reverse park on the road. All right, but everybody knows it as a parallel park. You're going to get asked to pull up at the side of the road. The examiner will usually designate where they would like you to pull up. Quite often they would say, I'd like you to pull up on the left well before we reach the next car on the road. It's usually about four car lengths or so back. I'm a little bit close at the moment, so I'm going to reverse. I'm also going to put these on so you can see my view, what I'm going to be looking at, my mirrors, yeah, my observations and what have you. We're going to be putting these on at the same time. All right, this is how it works for my car. All right, this is how it works for my car. Your car may have different dimensions. You may have a different technique that your instructor has been that has been doing you. If you find this this technique works, have a word with your instructor and see what they say. But this one works for me. Okay, we are now recording. Right, I'm just going to drop it back a few car lengths. Right, as you can see, my mirror drops automatically. I've got a van coming up behind us, but we're not going to be affecting him. I am going to stop before he gets here. So, as I said, you will get asked to pull up on the left well before the next car. So we're going to use that car in front of us. As you can see, I've put another camera up on top of it. We've got a camera up on the lamppost there. Zooming in on it, hopefully. And I'm going to carry out the manoeuvre. So, the wordings that you would get: the car in front of us, I'd like you to pull up alongside it and stop, then reverse back and in, parking close but parallel with the curb. Try to complete the manoeuvre within about 2 car lengths, and on this occasion consider any lowered curb as just a continuation of the normal curb height. So what that means is, where we can see the dropped curb there in front of somebody's driveway, right, if we stop in front of that, we're not going to worry about it too much. The examiner's given you permission on this occasion to stop there. All right, they're not looking for your judgment on somebody's driveway. They've given you permission to stop there. Try to complete the manoeuvre within about 2 car lengths. Another mistake that I used to see all the time on test was people would carry on going further back because they thought it was a minimum of 2 car lengths. It's within 2 car lengths, all right? So realistically, 2 car lengths is the maximum that you're allowed to do. All right, if you go over it, don't worry about it too much. Yeah, as you're coming back, and if you're not sure what 2 car lengths is, just, you know, the examiner will probably turn around and say, okay, thank you, drive on when you're ready. Okay, so we're going to do it now. It's now nice and clear. Check, make sure nothing's coming. Yeah, I'm looking at those driveways over there. Yeah, checking my mirrors. I'm going to pull up alongside this car. Going to be about a car door, enough room to open the car door, and I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop just in front. Engage reverse gear, and as I'm engaging reverse gear, I can already start my observations. Right, you'll notice that my mirror drops down automatically. Okay, I'm going to come back in a straight line until I could see the corner of that car there, and then I'm going to turn 3/4 of a turn. Right, now I'm noticing that there's a car coming. I'm looking for them slowing down and stopping, which they are doing. I'm now in a position where I can straighten my wheels. I'm going to come back, keeping an eye on that car. When my door handle is there, I'm going to go 3/4 of a turn back that way. Still keeping all my observations going. I'm going to keep an eye. If I need to turn any more, then I will. What's that car doing there? And once I can see that I'm nice and straight, I don't need to go any further. Handbrake, neutral. Okay, I can see there I'm nice and straight, I'm nice and close to the curb. Job's a good one. Alright, when it comes to me moving off again, I don't need to drop any further back because I've got in. Yeah, I've got in, so I'm going to be able to get back out again. Nice and simple.